before we can get the lift back here. Got to get the lift right here. Because our main spar there is damaged significantly. I can't rig off it. We've got all that out over the hillside. So we're probably gonna make some drop cuts right through this walnut, right to the hill. It's a game of trees. We're gonna have fun today. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful lake, Swan Lake. Here she comes. Give her a push, Mike. Oh, one more. On the rock. Nice. All right, we're setting up a little speed line, and I need a compression force on this issue right here. So I brought it over the crotch and down to here. So when we run that speed line out, this will be a more of a compression force on this right here. And then I'll just manage my sizes that I put on there. But then I can bring that speed line right there over to these pieces, and we can pull them over and get them to slide down close to the edge of the lawn. That's the edge of the hill down there. So, and we've got this block set up here for some, when we get down to the wood. We got a drop zone right down there. It's a game of trees. We're having fun. Down there at the top of the hill. Beautiful day on the lake. Okay, we're gonna have Terry on the pole. Mike is tensioning my 395. We've got a bend in the trunk. It's got a good curve in there, and then that big knob right there. So following it down here, we might get a roll and a bounce with that crooked trunk. So I'm going to take it off, cut a Humboldt right below our knob there, and we'll lay her down flat right here. Then we got an easy drop on the trunk. She's running, Mike.
Let me get my hand in front of the camera.
Yeah.
I already did that.
You're always trying to get on the film.
I'm not on comms.
No, I'm not.
You're not on comms.
Because you have my say now.
But
Here,
mine
take
is
mine.
probably charged.
Take mine, Terry.
In the chip truck on the seat.
Yeah, Mike.
Maybe not on the seat anymore.
It may not be. Yeah, after Brandon's driving.
Did Mike sacrifice his?
Yeah, I got it now. Hey,
We've been swapping Sanas all day because I forgot to get mine charged.
You know, we should just have like a portable charger.
Is there an automatic charger anywhere?
Well, the worst, I mean, even if, you know, because he forgot,
Right?
he could have charged it on the way out here. Well, he stopped and did his, you know, estimate and stuff.
Now you want a kitty jar. My forgetfulness. Every time Kevin forgets something, that's going to be a pretty big kitty jar. Oh, could you hand me my rope, Austin? Thanks. This would be great application for us.
It's got constant white noise. And then it'll go. Well, we're going to need, you probably should, topsoil. Yeah.
I have my Kimbo back here somewhere. There we go. All right. Might not. Not if it doesn't say so. I was probably, let's make sure it doesn't say that. it. All right.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
Throw me the rope.
I think I missed the initial drop because I was going like this to Terry to get it out of there.
And this backside held on. I wasn't in the right position.
You know, Kevin, that landed perfect because I didn't even have to roll the ground.
Yeah.
Well, we got dirt with us, don't we?
Got some chaps back here I could borrow.
Yeah, they're over there against the house. You got Shabango and a couple wedges over there if you want to.
Oh, come on. Come on. Game of trees, we're having fun. Okay, I gotta document it. Corey still got a standing trunk. Kevin's trunk is down. Big shout out to Corey Clark, and we got, is that the carver down there? Yeah. Mr. Jesse Borday. And who's way in the back? All right. There we go. We're all doing storm work out here. We're having fun. Good job, Mike. Good job, Austin. Brandon's over putting away my lift. Good job, Terry. Good job. And Brandon's over there putting away my lift across the golf course. Good job, Brandon. You can listen to this later. There it is, tucked away. Just putting the mats down because he forgot a couple pieces of wood right there. Good job, guys. Where's Brandon?
Well, I don't know.
Well, that's fine. They can shim the planter. If they want a planter, they can shim it. I guess we got a little bit of cleanup back here. We need some rakes. All right, just about done. What a beautiful day. All right, we're out here doing storm work. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Gamey Trees, we're having fun.